Is it possible to take a 2D image and make it into 3D plan without any modeling? Well, it's a rhetorical question, so you know we can do it. See if you go online on Google or Pinterest, search for floor plans, try to make the search on big size images, then get any one you like and save it as usual. The thing we're gonna do here is extracting layers from this image, and we do that with a software called Inkscape. So use the link in the description to go to the site. It's a free and super light app, so it can run on Potato PC, pick the OS, and download it. It's like less than 100 megabyte. After installing it, the interface will look like this, where we can open or drop any image on this canvas. You can hit OK on the import settings, then once the image is here, right-click on it and choose Trace Bitmap. This will open a new tab on the side. At top, there's different method to detect layers from the image based on edges, colors, and many other things. And at the bottom, you have a preview of what those choices gonna result, so you know what you did before you apply it. Now for a floor plan, we can pick the multicolor option from the top, then make the detection on colors. Enable the stack option so each generated layer will act alone, and the number of layers can be set from the scan, based on how much details you want while keeping an eye on the preview. So start from the minimum 2 and go up. Then we can hit apply to generate a new image including the 3 layers. Once you're done, hit Save As, keep it on SVG format, and drop it somewhere. Then in Blender, go to File, Import, choose SVG format to bring the file you saved. The 3 layers are presented here as curves, and the background one is for the streets, so let's delete it. One of the 2 remaining layers has more details than the other one, so I will take the simpler one, convert it to mesh, clean the mesh with limited dissolve from the F3 search bar, then pick the walls, hit P, and separate them. Then, we can just extrude those walls up to give them height. Adjusting the plan scale is easy, taking the door width in perspective 0.9 to 1 meter, so you can do that, and might also keep the second layer for the details, or to extrude extra parts if you want. And that's it. If you had fun watching this, do like and sub. Also, check out other full tutorials we made on the channel regarding 3D floor plans. It sure are dope. Stay sharp. Goodbye.